All compressed air treatment products manufactured at CompAir Logatec in Slovenia are developed and designed in-house. Our focus on performance, quality, reliability, energy efficiency and Industry 4.0 connectivity helps our customers meet their operational needs and sustainability goals. CompAir Logatec is the centre of excellence for compressed air filtration and condensate management. Many of our products are patent protected and offer unique features to benefit our customers. For example, compressed air inline filters, either pressure die-cast or fabricated, are available in different configurations with different filtration grades and optional accessories. Oil and water separators are designed and manufactured to be easy to use and maintain, supporting responsible management of compressed air condensate to comply with local regulations and protect the environment. Compressed air treatment solutions built in Logatec are designed to match the most demanding air quality standards. Our heatless and heated blower desiccant dryers, for example, are available with multiple options and can be engineered to order, satisfying different applications and technical requirements. Our customers expect superior quality. Our advanced processes deliver the best quality product with the flexibility to respond to changes and shorten lead times. CompAir Logatec, raising the bar for best-in-class efficiency and premium performance products.